During this time of lockdown and restrictions, I wanted to be able to provide people with the ability to at least understand and start to make preparations on getting their CV completed as they depart the armed forces. So what I'm doing is putting together a number of videos that you can watch, and hopefully these will start to give you an idea as to how to address your CV. So over the coming 8 videos, including this one with supporting documentation, I'm rather hoping that we're able to support you in the process of getting to your CV. In this video, what I want to do is cover really how to think about your CV. It's a marketing document, that's all it is. It's not a life story. So many of the CVs that I've seen coming out of, coming from service leavers have been very much around making sure they get all the detail down there, making sure that it portrays them as superheroes and the greatest in their field. And really that's not the case. In the case of the CV, really less is more. And the analogy I like to share on that is that it's more like an advert. You don't get a car advert that talks about the specifications, the mileage that you can get out of a gallon of petrol. It doesn't really cover, you know, the tire pressures. It doesn't cover torque or anything like that. It gives you a sense of adventure. The advert says, buy a Land Rover and you can go and visit distant places. Buy a Ferrari and you know, it's great, it's fast, it's exciting, it's sexy. And really that's what your CV's got to do in a work context. So essentially keep it brief. Really the rules are quite clear, and a lot of people read the rules and then there's a sense of confusion as to what actually needs to be in a CV. And I do appreciate there's a lot of conflicting advice out there, but these basic rules will at least support you in getting together a generic CV that you can then take and position with the support of a job specification for a position for which you're applying, and tailor it and position it into that particular role. So 2 pages, people, no more, not 7, not 5, not 3, 2. There is occasions upon which or during which you do a 1-pager, but 2 pages absolutely maximum. Write it not about you, no I's, me's, we's or anything like that. It's got to be written in passive dative, I think the term is. Build it according to the template, and shortly after this video you'll be able to download a template, and this is a generic template that might be different from what you've seen before, but I've had lots of success with this when I've been supporting people in transitioning and writing CVs when leaving the military. Position it to the role, obviously, that you're going for. I think I've already covered that. And the hobbies and interests section, great to have, shows that you're a well-rounded person, but there are only certain instances when you would use it. So what I'm going to do is close now, and we'll move on to the next video. I hope this has been useful. If you've got any questions, then please do contact us at info@plus-t.co.uk. Thank you very much.